In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team, setting up recurring tasks can help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized effortlessly. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to navigate to Asana on your web browser. Simply open your preferred web browser, type in Asana's website, and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, locate the specific project or task list where you want to add a recurring task. This will be your starting point. Next, you'll need to click on the details of the task you wish to make recurring. You'll usually find this option by selecting the task, which will open up more detailed information about it on the right-hand side of your screen. This view provides you with various options to edit and customize your task further. Now look for the date section in the task details. This is typically where you can set due dates and reminders. Click on the date field, and a calendar should pop up. Here's where the magic begins. You're going to set this task to repeat, saving you time and effort in the future. After clicking on the date, there should be an option to set the task to repeat. This feature is incredibly useful for tasks you need to complete regularly, such as weekly team meetings, monthly reports, or even annual performance reviews. Simply choose the option that says Set to Repeat. Once you've done that, you'll see an option called Weekly. Clicking on Weekly will allow you to set your task to recur every week on a specific day, but it doesn't stop there. Asana gives you even more flexibility by allowing various recurrence options. In the scheduling menu, you'll find multiple options such as weekly, monthly, yearly, and periodically. There's also an option to set up a custom recurrence, which is especially helpful for tasks that don't fit into the standard frequencies. If your task requires a unique schedule, click on Custom to explore more specific options. When you click on Custom, it provides you with a range of choices. For example, if you want the task to recur every Monday, select the respective option. This custom setting feature empowers you to tailor the recurrence to fit precisely into your workflow. Finally, after setting the recurrence to your satisfaction, you can confirm the date. Click on the date you've chosen, and the task is now set to recur according to your instructions. This ensures that you'll receive reminders for this task, boosting your productivity and ensuring you stay on top of your responsibilities. And that's it! You've now learned how to create a recurring task in Asana, a simple yet powerful feature that can make your project management much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!